Living with pain can rob you of the joy of life. Whether it's headaches, backaches, neck pain, muscle soreness, or any other physical pain, there aren't too many other things in life that can bring your day to a screeching halt. After 2 back surgeries, I know what it's like to feel like a prisoner in your own body. Too many times, though, we ignore our pain. We mask it with harmful drugs, or we waste our time and money on surgeries that were never necessary to begin with. In the end, we're left feeling no better than we were before and still unable to do the things we enjoy. But life doesn't have to be like this. You don't have to suffer from your pain any longer. You don't have to say no to your family and friends when they want to play and have fun. You have the power to become healthy again and get back to being you. And with care from our office, we can help you get there. Imagine sunny days out on the lake with your family, or ball games with your friends, or even walks in the park with those you love. You can do all these things again, pain-free. You can hold your grandchild again, swing a golf club again, and do all the things you love without worries or fears. You see, we not only care about your health and what you're going through, but we care about where you want to be. You'll receive a safe, non-surgical, and drug-free treatment plan that will return you back to the life you want to live. Our goal is to rid you of your pain as quickly as possible and restore your health back to its optimal state. You'll be treated like a member of the family as we work together to discover what's wrong and quickly fix it. You'll not only receive the latest chiropractic treatment techniques, but you'll also receive exemplary service, so you can be assured that you're getting the best and most caring treatment available. So if you're tired of living with pain and you're ready to start living with happiness again, then contact us at Core Chiropractic Clinic and let us help you become alive once again.